Nerve repair, the power of vitamins. In the bustling rhythm of everyday life, our nervous system is under constant pressure. Thankfully, nature offers us a solution. Vitamins play a pivotal role in repairing damaged nerves, bringing back the harmony our bodies crave. First on our list is vitamin B12. A superhero for nerves, it helps rebuild their protective coating, enhancing nerve health. Then there's vitamin E, a potent antioxidant. It fights off the oxidative stress that can wreak havoc on nerve cells. Omega-3 fatty acids, although not a vitamin, deserve a mention. They reduce inflammation, aiding in the recovery of nerve function. Incorporating foods rich in these nutrients can make a significant difference. Think leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Embrace these vitamins through diet or supplements and set the stage for a stronger, more resilient nervous system.